Hi! Our lesson for today is about two-syllable words. So this is an English lesson based on MELC and this is for week 6. Let's start! Hi! I'm Teacher Jeanette and I'm going to be your teacher for today. I have here 4 pictures. Now we are going to identify the name of each picture. So let's have the first one. What do you think is the first picture? Great! That first picture is a rabbit. Now what is the second picture? Good job! It's a pencil. And what is the third picture? Great! This one is an example of table. And the last one? Very good. This is an example of a hot dog. So we can easily identify that these words, rabbit, pencil, table, hot dog, how many syllables do they have? Very good. They contain 2 syllables. And that would be our lesson for today. Words that has 2 syllables. So a 2-syllable word with short vowel sound refers to a word divided into 2 syllables and one or both syllable has a vowel sound. Now, 2 syllables, to read the long words easily, use syllabication. Okay, syllabication is to divide the words into small parts called syllables. A 2-syllable word with a short vowel sounds refers to a word divided into 2 syllables and one both syllable has a vowel sound. Example, rabbit, rabbit, just like that. And another example was basket. So when we hear the word basket, it is divided into 2 syllables, bas and ket. The next one is tennis, tennis. So it is an example of 2-syllable words because they contain 2 syllables, tennis, just like that. Now, how to divide syllables? So first, you look at the word. How many vowels do you see? Example, ribbon. How many vowels do you see? We have 1 and 2. Next, say the word and then clap your hands for every sounds you hear. Okay? Ribbon. Okay? Now, third, write the chunks and think of the beginning sound of the sound and ending sound. So, rib, so that's the first chunk. And then we divide it. Chop. And then, bon. Okay? So, ribbon. And then fourth, repeat the chunks. Does it sound right? Ribbon. Now, let's try. We are going to divide these words into 2 syllables. We're going to syllabicate these words. Now, the first one, you get your drill board and then answer it on your drill board. 1, 2, 3. Go. If you're not yet done, click the pause button. And if you're done, click the play button so we could check your answers. Number 1, kitten, kit, chop, 10. Number 2, napkin, nap, chop, kin. Number 3, pretzel, pret, chop, zel. Good. So now, I have here 4 set of words of 2-syllable words. Now, you are going to read it. So, I'm going to read it first, and afterwards, you're going to read it. Okay? So, the first set, rabbit, bubble, follow, taller, messy. Your turn. Great. Now, let's have the set 2. Funny, lesson, hissing, dinner, better. Your turn. Very good. Now let's have the third set. Running, bunny, little, pizza, yellow. Great. Now let's have the fourth set. Hotter, apple, puppy, happy kitten. Great! So now let's read the phrases. The puppy is happy. The rabbit has a funny nose. We had pizza for dinner. My mother cleaned my messy room. The kitten is wearing a yellow ribbon. Now your turn to read these words. Great job! So now, let's have this activity, the two-syllable words activity. So we have here words spider, window, and apple. Now get your notebook, copy, and answer. For the clap, you're going to write how many syllables does these words contain. And then for the right part, the right column, you're going to chunk these words. Okay? So the first one is spider, spider. And then right, then chunk the word spider. Okay? And then window and apple. Now, if you're not yet done, click the pause button. And if you're done, click the play button to know the answers. So the first one, spider, we have two, spider. And then if we chunk it, spy, chop, der. Great. Now, the next word, window, window. And if we write it, win, chop, dough. Now, the next one is apple, apple. So when we write it, app, chop, pole. Good. Now, we are going to try. Let's try. Get your notebook and then write 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then, you're going to write the chunk of these syllables. Okay, number 1, we have the word bunny. Number 2, happy. Number 3, yellow. If you're not yet done, click the pause button. And if you're done, click the play button to know the answers. Number 1, bunny, bun, chop, knee. Number 2, happy, hap, chop, pea. Number 3, yellow, yell, chop, low. Good. Thanks for watching. Kindly click the subscribe button so that you will be updated to my videos. Goodbye!